Should you do hybrid training? Short answer, yes. Long answer, it is complicated. I've been seeing a lot of buzz recently about hybrid training. If you don't know what hybrid training is, it's a mixture of strength training as well as some type of cardio, usually running. It's really meant for if you are an athlete, if you're someone who you want to lift heavy weights but still have good cardio, it's probably the best training for you. And I'm seeing more people do it, especially as summer's coming up, running season. It makes sense. No one wants a runner's body, but they want the benefits of being a runner. And hybrid training allows you to do that. So should you do it? Well, for most people, I would say it's beneficial because, again, if you want to lift heavy, which is really good for your body, but you also want great cardio, which is also really good for your body and your mind, this makes a perfect sense. However, the reason it is complicated is for some people, if you just want to be a bodybuilder, then it's not going to give you the physique that you want for being a bodybuilder. It's the same thing if you want to be an elite runner, you don't have to do bodybuilding, so why focus on that? That's wasted time. Especially you have to take in that there's so much more recovery you have to do if you are a hybrid trainer because you are working out two different styles. And if you want to progress in both of those, you have to take that to high intensity, which might just be more high intensity workouts than you think it will be. So your recovery is even more important than it ever was. Stretching, sleeping, eating well, you really have to hone in on that. So really what it comes down to is, what is your goal? If your goal is to have a super strong body, aesthetically looks pleasing, all that, you don't have to do hybrid training. If you want to become a faster runner, a better runner, all that, you don't have to do hybrid training. But if you work out for vibes, if you work out because you know it's good for you and you want your body to look better, then hybrid training makes a lot of sense, and I would actually recommend it. If you want some examples of what to do as hybrid training, what I would recommend, especially when you're starting, is do 3 days of full body and 1 or 2 weekly runs. But if you want even more details on what to do on those full body workouts and on those run days, leave a comment and I'll let you guys know. Have a good one.